took my regular shampoo and turned it into this, and all I needed was just 4 herbs. Now let me show you exactly how I made it. First, I added 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Now rosemary is one of my favorite herbs for hair care because it helps support healthy scalp and facilitate hair growth. So of course, this had to be the first thing going into my herbal shampoo. Next, I added 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Now fenugreek is really good for conditioning the hair and supporting a healthy scalp. It also contains nutrients and compounds that can help thicken the hair, so I definitely wanted this one in my mix. Then I threw in 1 stick of cinnamon because cinnamon has cleansing and antimicrobial properties. So I added it because I wanted something that will help keep my scalp feeling fresh and clean. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves are packed with compounds that have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, so they can be a nice addition when you're putting together a scalp care routine. And once everything was in, then I added my water. And then I'll allow all the 4 herbs to boil together. The idea here is to extract all that goodness from the herbs into the water, because that's what we are going to use to transform our regular shampoo. So I let it simmer for a while and then I'll strain everything out, because I definitely don't want pieces of rosemary or cloves getting stuck in my hair. So after straining it, I will just cover it and allow it to cool. And to quicken the cooling process, I actually dropped the plate in a bowl of cold water so that it will cool faster. Now once the herbal water has cooled completely, I'll pour it into my container. And now I'm going to pour the shampoo of my choice. So I would advise that you actually use a shampoo that is mild. You can use a baby shampoo. The reason why you need a shampoo that is mild is because some of these herbs can be drying into the hair. Do you understand? So if you use a shampoo that is not mild, you can imagine how dry it will be for your hair. So that is why it is advisable that you use a shampoo that is mild. And again, if you want it to lather very well, you can add the quantity of shampoo that will make it to lather very well. This quantity I added, I later increased it because I wanted more lather. And now because I love the fresh feeling that tea tree gives to my scalp, I added just a few drops of tea tree oil, gave everything a very good mix, and voila, my herbal shampoo was ready. Okay. And of course, I wasn't just going to make this shampoo and leave it sitting there, right? I'm actually going to use it to wash my hair. And because it was my wash day, so I'm showing you how I use it. So how I shampoo my hair is to concentrate my shampoo on my scalp. I've learned this a very long time ago, and that is what I do, because it is actually the scalp that needs more cleansing, that needs the shampoo. Okay, then once the scalp is clean, you can now run the ladder of the shampoo down the length of your hair to wash off, to now cleanse your hair properly. This helps to keep your hair from being dry. Another tip that I love to do, and I've noticed that each time I do it this way, it always gives me a better result, is actually washing my hair in jumbo twist. As you can see now, I twisted my hair when I was pre-pooing, so that way I can wash my hair in twist. You get? Now after lathering my hair the first time, I'm going to go and rinse off the first one, and I'll come back again. And here, this is me back. At this point, my scalp is actually clean, but not as clean as I wanted it to be. And as you can see, I added more of my regular shampoo into the herbal mix, just so that it will give me more lather. Do you get? Depending on what you are going for, you can choose to add more or less depending on what exactly you want. But I wanted it to lather more, just so that I will be able to clean my hair properly, because I have been heavy-handed with products, and again I have been prolonging my wash days. So since I'm finally washing my hair, I need to get it all clean. And then because I'm washing my hair in twist, I'm ready to make sure that my hair, not my scalp this time around, my hair is properly cleaned. So when I finished squeezing the lather the first time, I noticed that once the lather got to my hair, the lather just disappeared. So that is why I had to rinse that first one off and then start shampooing again. In fact, I actually shampooed my hair 3 times to get what I wanted, but I did the last one off camera. I actually love the idea of this shampoo because it can help to tackle some of the scalp related issues that one might experience. Plus the fact that the herbs here can actually help to promote faster hair growth, it is indeed a win-win for me. So if you are experiencing itchy scalp, or you just want something that will cleanse your hair thoroughly, then I think you should give this our little DIY shampoo a try. One thing I love to do when I'm shampooing my hair is to scrub my scalp, because I noticed that this does not only help to keep your scalp clean, but it can also help to increase circulation, you know. So I am using this my hair brush as my scalp massager. Actually, this brush is to serve like 2-in-1 for me, because you know I don't have my scalp massager anymore, so I use this as my scalp massager, and it gets the work done. Now once I finish scrubbing my scalp, I'm going to go now and rinse off everything. And here, this is what my hair looks like. My hair has never felt this fresh before. Like, not that feeling as if you have like tiny noise going on your head, and then all of a sudden everything just quiet down. That was exactly how I felt after washing my hair with this shampoo. For me, I believe that taking good care of your scalp and keeping a consistent hair routine can actually help to create a good environment for a healthy hair growth. And honestly, I really enjoyed this little experiment. Now my question to you is this: would you try making your own herbal shampoo like this? If yes, please let me know in the comments which of the herbs you would add to your own shampoo. And with that, I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content such as this one, and please share this video to anyone you think who might need this. Okay, and yeah, till I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of your gorgeous, amazing self, and bye.